The lifting bed that I installed into my Sprinter van, I can do pull-ups on, I can swing on it, and I can do this while it's stationary, as here, and I can also do it while it's moving. It's very easy to do, it's very strong, simply supported entirely by 4 linear actuators that run on DC power. I can easily pull my bike in and out right off the 4 van one-up trays that I have in there, so I can fit 4 bikes in easily with wheels on, front and back wheels on, and slide them right in, lock them right in, and that's it. They're locked in and I'm ready to roll. Now, because the bed of the van can actually just raise up and down with the push of button. These are, with the controller, I have 4 presets for different heights. I can also then manually lower or raise it to get right to the height of a bike that's in there or something else in there. Take it all the way down to the bottom as low as it'll go to make more room as well. So I can hop in bed and have more room in bed for lounging, reading, and sleeping. And so this setup really provides, I think, the best overall balance of space underneath the van for bikes and gear and everything else, because the linear actuators are all the way off to the side, mounted at the floor, on the outside of the walls or outside the floor, and yet curve in or hinge in with the bed, and they keep the bed well supported. The linear bearings at the front of the bed attached to the full height cabinets keep the bed completely locked in, front to back and also side to side, and so it makes it really very stable. So I can do pull-ups on this bed on the inside, at the front of the bed, as well as at the back of the bed. It also affords it really get it nice and low for when I have ski gear in there or something else, or as you saw here, just simply pushing a button to raise it back up to a preset level to pull the bike out and go for a bike ride, or put something else in there that needs to be moved or relocated. The linear actuators that I use by Progressive Automations are each rated to 400 pounds, both static and dynamic, meaning they'll hold 400 pounds, both when they're moving up or down or when they're stationary. And because there's 4 of them, that means this bed will hold a total of 1,600 pounds, both moving or stationary. So plenty strong for any typical use. I provided more details in a previous video about how these were attached and built in here with the 80/20 framing that I used. But also, these linear actuators are very lightweight. I think they only weigh about 5 or 6 pounds each. They also are IP67 rated, so they can actually take a full submersion of water. And again, they run right on the DC system with a controller that allows for these presets. And they only cost about $120 to $150 each, so very affordable. And this setup, as you can see here, allows me full access through the bike garage or gear garage. So I can walk right through there. I can load it up with bikes. I put up to 6 bikes into this bike garage, all with the front wheels and back wheels on. And so that really provides a tremendous amount of space from side to side and also front to back. And showing here the bed in its raising state, where it is actually going from bottom to an upper position, I can sit there and swing on it and do pull-ups on it, and it does not even affect the movement of those linear actuators in any way. And so I can get a great workout while the linear actuators just move on up or move on down, to show just how strong and capable they are. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some ideas for use in your next camper build out, and I hope you get out and using it. And by all means, thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share with others so they can also learn from my videos. Bye now.